Good morning everybody, it's time for phonics again. The sound we're going to learn today is I. Let's have a look at our picture card. There are some people flying some kites up in the sky, and our phrase says fly high. Fly high. I'm going to Fred talk some words that have got the I sound in them, and I want to see if you can blend them together. Let's do the first one. I, high. Well done. I, t, night. I, t, light. I, t, bright. Well done. Let's look at our picture card again. So when we see the picture card on this side, we say the phrase fly high. Let's have a look at the sound. Today there are 3 letters that go together to make the I sound. I is one of our special friends. When you see this side of the card, you say I. When you see this side of the card, you say fly high. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's hide I in our pack. Remember, when you see the I sound, you're going to say the sound and wave. Let's hide it in there. And let's do the sounds. Join in with me. Let's do them together. V, K, J, E, I. There it is. Let's hide it again. Z, ch, x, nk, I. One more time. A, I. Well done. You're starting to know those sounds really, really well. Let's read some word cards that have got the I sound in them. Watch me first. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. Read the word. Hi. Your turn. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. Read the word. Hi. Well done. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. T. Read the word. Night. Well done. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. T. Read the word. Light. Good job. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. T. Read the word. Bright. Well done. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. T. Read the word. Might. Special friends. I. Fred talk. I. T. Read the word. Fright. Well done. See if you can do this one again by yourself. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Hi. Well done. So those are all word cards that have got the I sound in them. But we've learnt lots of other special friends as well. So we're going to practice reading some more words that have got some different special friends in that we've already learnt, just to practice and make sure they're stuck in your brain. We're going to do the same again. Watch me first. Special friends. Ch. Fred talk. Ch. I. N. Read the word. Chin. Your turn. Special friends. Ch. Fred talk. Ch. I. N. Read the word. Chin. Well done. Special friends. E. Fred talk. B. I. N. Read the word. Bean. Special friends. Fred talk. S. I. N. Read the word. Sing. Special friends. A. Fred talk. S. A. Read the word. Say. Special friends. Sh. Fred talk. Sh. Up. Read the word. Shop. Special friends. E. Fred talk. S. E. P. Read the word. Sleep. Well done. Special friends. Qu. Fred talk. Qu. It. Read the word. Quit. Special friends. A. Fred talk. W. A. Read the word. Way. Well done. Special friends. Fred talk. It's. Read the word. This. Special friends. Ch. Fred talk. Ch. I. N. Read the word. Chin. Let's stop there. Really good. It's really important to make sure you're practicing reading those words with the special friends in them. Let's do some alien words. Our alien words today have all got the I special friends in them, because that's the sound we're learning today. But you have to look carefully because there are no dots and lines under these words to help us. They are strange, made up alien words. Let's do the same again, but watch me first. Special friends. I. Fred talk. K. I. Read the word. Kai. Your turn. Special friends. I. Fred talk. K. I. Read the word. Kai. Special friends. I. Fred talk. G. I. T. Read the word. Glite. Well done. Special friends. Look carefully. Qu. I. Fred talk. Qu. I. Read the word. Quai. Well done. Special friends. I. Fred talk. Z. I. Read the word. Zai. Special friends. I. Fred talk. D. I. T. Read the word. Dite. Special friends. I. Fred talk. P. I. T. Read the word. Prite. Well done. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Kai. Well done. Let's have a go now at writing some words that have got the I sound in them. So you're going to need your pencil and your paper, and we're going to write the word high. I fly my kite high in the sky. High. So hide your fingers. Fred, talk the word. I. Ready? Fingers. You should have two. There are two sounds. Let's pinch them. I. I. Let's see if we can write it together. I. I. Remember, underline the special friends. I. It's a tricky one to write because there are 3 letters we need to put in the I sound. So we're going to practice it today. If you've got the in your word, give it a tick. If you've got all the right letters in the sound I, then you can have a tick for that one as well. If you didn't get it quite right, or if you got the letters mixed up in the wrong order, have a go at writing it up here. Fix it up here. Let's try another one. Let's write the word light. When it's dark, I turn on the light. Hide your fingers. Fred, talk the word. L-I-T. Ready? Fingers. 3 fingers you should have, because there's 3 sounds in the word light. Let's pinch them. L-I-T. L-I-T. Let's have a go at writing it. What's the first sound? L. L. I. L. I. T. Remember to underline your special friends. Have a look and check. If you've got the L first, give it a tick. If you've got all the letters right making sound I, give those a tick. And if you've got the T at the end, give that a tick as well. L-I-T. Light. Fantastic. Let's choose one more I word to practice. Let's write the word might. I might go for a walk later. Might. Hide your fingers. Fred, talk the word. M-I-T. Get those fingers ready. Fingers. You should have 3 fingers. Let's pinch the sounds in might. I-T. I-T. Let's write it. First sound I need is I-T. Remember to underline those special friends. Check yours with mine. Have you got the sound? Have you got the I sound? If you've not got it quite right, fix it. Write it again up above. Have you got the T at the end? Give it a tick if you did. I-T. Might. Fantastic writing. Let's practice some of the words that we learned with the sound E yesterday. It's E we did yesterday, wasn't it? Let's practice writing some E words. I want to write the word seen. I have seen a dog. Seen. Get those fingers ready. Fred, talk. S-E-N. Ready. Fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. S-E-N. S-E-N. Let's see if you can write it on your paper. underline those special friends. Check yours. Did you manage to write it like mine? S. Tick for that one if you got it. Tick for E. And a tick for N. Well done. Let's try one more E word. Let's write the word sleep. At night time, I go to sleep. Fingers, hide them. Red talk word. Sleep. Ready? Fingers. Let's pinch them. Sleep. Sleep. Let's write it together. Sleep. Remember to underline the special friends. If you've got the S, give it a tick. If you've got the sound next, give it a tick. If you remembered how to write the E sound, tick for that, and a P at the end. Sleep. Sleep. Fantastic. I'm looking forward to seeing a photo of your words, particularly your I words, because that's the sound we were focusing on today. And you could have a go at putting one of these words into a sentence and writing the sentence for me as well. That is your challenge. I will see you soon.